Alright guys, let me fix something right quick. Hello, this is Julia. Today, what happened? Right, we're kind of gonna have a tornado. We are gonna have a tornado today. That's why I'm making my YouTube very quick. So, we're gonna have a tornado. I'm so scared. But it's not gonna be that bad, so that's why we're not leaving. That's why our TV said tornado warning. I was so freaked out, and I just don't like tornadoes. It's raining outside too. So, my question for today: are you scared of a tornado? Leave it down in the comment. And I don't know. The more you see tornadoes, a lot of people have tornadoes in their country, but we never had one in a long time. So, people who live far away from us probably don't have a tornado. Not today, but not every day. The other brother coming back in. I love Oreos, and I like chocolate chip for cookies. I like these. Tomorrow is school, and I'll show you my morning routine when I wake up from school. I'll put on my alarm clock. So when I go to sleep in my bed, I'll wake up, so I don't have to be late for school. I love to be late. I just like to just sleep in my bed and just relax. My room is clean, so I'm gonna show you around. Okay, my room. You know, I have dolls. Can you see them? Okay. Now, for this, I make up. You see it? I don't know. Yeah, I know. But tell me in the comments. So, first, I'm going to put them. Makeup. You guys, I have this makeup tray. This. I have a lot of these. I do wear makeup. And I have some lip gloss, you just can't see it. Yeah. Now, you guys, I want to show you how to do Sharkeisha in our last video. So, let me know. So, I want to show you how my dance is. The colors. Yeah. scared of tornadoes. I have to hide in the bathroom because there's no window. My room has the window open, so we cannot hide in it. Or the pantry. We have a washing machine in the pantry. So, you guys, I'm going to start doing Roblox in Sims 4, and I'll start playing with my dolls. And showing you how to fix your dolls. Baby Lives and Barbie dolls and stuffed animals, but I don't think you want to watch my stuffed animal videos. But, and I'm thinking, tell me how old are you in the comments, because I'll show you right now on my fingers. I am 7 years old, turned 8